Welcome to Ngobatin Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and make sure that you help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Ngobatin Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Sundown Street. Sikhune North, my brother kunjani futhi?
Ngiyaphila kunjani urasta wase Lotus branch.
Nazo.
Namhlanje ngiyabonga.
Jabulile.
3 goals, 3 points.
Yeah.
Okusalayo ukuthi December sizabe sise number 1.
December.
Yeah.
Hawu phela nisasengaphansi kwamanje Pirates phezulu.
Ngithi December sizabe si number 1.
Yeah.
Hayi phela ayihlupi bona baphethe igazebo.
Yeah.
Baphethe igazebo thina sowafaka itenteni.
Yeah, but nina ningabheki iPirates. Wina nama game enu and then sizokhuluma after December then.
Ngiyakutshela ngithi December ngizabe ngi number 1.
Usho kanje?
Yeah.
No, ayengizokukhumbula.
Yeah, enye team yona.
So amtshela yini impressile
Yazi
namhlanje.
uyangitshela yazi ngithini?
Yeah.
Ngithi masiya December.
Yeah.
Mase breaking sizabe sise number 1.
Always. We
Yeah.
used to do that.
No, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, namhlanje asiyasibali.
Yeah.
Namhlanje
But
asibali.
namhlanje ngegame namhlanje.
Yeah.
Yini ekimpressile namhlanje efieldini namhlanje ngaphandle kokuba number 1 nani but
Yeah.
ama tactics yini oyithandile and all that because normally abalandeli banokukhomplayina bathi uma nqoba this manqoba that uwinile namhlanje yini ekujabulisile tonight.
No, yazi problem yama supporters yini. My team iwina abajabulela ama players.
No ngisho wena
Yeah, okay.
uthini wena.
Mina nginankinga necoach. Coach enze umsebenzi wayo urotate ama players. Iproblem yini abantu bafuna win why.
Yeah.
Masi lose abayamangalo yabona. Yeah. So
akunasanjwayela ukuwina vele.
Yeah.
That's why kumele bangani.
Sifanele sijwayele ukuthi sadliwa nathi. No. Angithi bagesi isidlile. Kulukani isidlile.
But ungajwayeli dliwa kayi-1 nyana uwine kaningi.
Kanti ufanele sifanishaye why angeke ayikholakala.
Ungadliwa kayi-1 uthrowe.
Khonakali neManchester City yaluza nani yeah.
Not why when we Sundowns.
Yeah.
Akunankinga
Okay, akunankinga.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
One thing ngifuna ukukhuluma ukuthi
Yeah.
thina sima Sundowns asina stress.
Yeah.
So wina marili kimaphela. Sayiphikamisa trophy.
No, congratulations in advance. Thank you so much.